This is a 1999 Dodge Viper GTS Coupe showing just over 14,000 original miles. Really nice car. V10, 6-speed, just awesome. This is a 3-owner car, chrome wheels, in really good shape. We're wearing a pair of Continental tires, date code 2020. Still plenty of life left. Does have a catback aftermarket. I believe it's a Borla exhaust system. Super clean black interior. There you can see 14,491 miles. Got your gauges going across the middle here. Aftermarket radio. You have air conditioning. Does have a older clear bra applied to it in various different areas. Clear bra is starting to show its age a little bit, but it's certainly done its job protecting the paint all these years. Car is super clean. Check out that front end. Here, a little bit of the clear bra starting to peel here. Was the last year for the forged internals and a different cam profile, which is what you hear with this Borla exhaust. Sounds just awesome. Beautiful rear end. Has its window sticker along with various service records that come with it. All of the wheels are in really good condition. For you Viper people out there, it does still have remnants of its sticker here in the wheel well, which is pretty cool to see. Usually those get trashed really quick, and they're still on this car. There's a couple small chips here in the door. might have been touched up. This wheel has a small bit of curb rash, not much. If you're interested in this car, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. About 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage, so you can see how clean it is under there as well. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call. That's Cars Remember